We are pleased to show you the 2018 BMW 2 Series. The BMW 2 Series is a powerful and fuel-efficient machine which comes with exceptional handling, high-quality interiors, and it delivers on BMW's ultimate driving machine and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, power liftgate, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control. Come see the car for yourself.